The Merrick Bank Credit Card is designed for people who are working to build or rebuild their credit and might not qualify for more mainstream cards. It's unsecured, so there's no security deposit to worry about, making it accessible if cash is tight. Merrick stands out by offering automatic credit line reviews. So if you make payments on time, you could see your limit increase, which is a real boost for your credit score and spending flexibility. Cardholders get a free updated FICO score each month and protection from unauthorized charges with MasterCard's zero liability policy. Easy online and mobile account access as well as flexible payment options mean it works for most lifestyles. That said, the Merrick Bank Card does come with some downsides. The annual fee is $36 the first year, and then switches to a $3 monthly fee, money that could otherwise go toward your balance. The initial credit limit is usually pretty low, often around $300. So you'll need to watch your spending. And the high APR, which can reach up to 35.9%, makes carrying a balance really expensive. There's no rewards program, so purchases won't earn you points or cash back, and you may run into issues with customer service if you need help, as many users have reported slow responses and trouble resolving problems. In summary, Merrick Bank's credit card could be a lifeline for those with limited options who want a path to better credit. It's useful for establishing positive credit history and monitoring your progress. But the high fees, low starting limit, and steep interest rate are real risks. Consider your alternatives carefully, and always plan to pay your balance in full to avoid the costly downsides.